Hey my love bugs, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I was gonna do a little vlog since I don't have to go to work. It's my baby daddy being obnoxious with the car. I'm gonna wait till he's done. So today I thought I was gonna do a little vlog, a little day in my life, because I don't have to go to work today. So I just thought I would take you guys along with what I would typically do in a regular day. I don't have to work today, but I still have a lot of stuff to do. I have homework to do. I have mom stuff to do. I have to clean my house. I have to finish packing. I haven't said it on my channel yet, but I am moving. I'm moving out of North Carolina and I'm moving to Atlanta, Georgia. I have a video about that coming up soon. But as of right now, I just got back from the grocery store. I just went to Target. I picked up a couple of things. I'm really trying not to buy a whole lot of groceries right now while we're in the moving process, because I would hate to move 4 hours away with a whole lot of groceries and stuff that has to be refrigerated. I don't want to do that. But I just got some simple stuff. I got some sandwich meat, some syrup, because we have I have a waffle maker and we like to eat waffles in the morning. And then I got 3 granny apples. Okay, so I watched the video of this lady making apple crumble, and supposedly it's supposed to be really healthy. It's like a keto dessert or something like that. Hopefully I have oats. I do, I have oats. So it's basically just a Granny Smith apple, some syrup, some oats, and some cinnamon. I think I'm gonna make that today, later on, not right now, but I'm gonna make it today, and I'm gonna vlog it. And I also got some eggs because we like breakfast food right here. I think the baby just woke up. Did my loud mouth ass wake her up? Hold on. Hi. Say hey. I think mommy woke up. Hold on, y'all.
All these guns like the Navy or something. People looking at me like I'm crazy or something.
Look, it's a damn deer.
So hey guys, we just left the park and we decided that we were gonna go look at some coffee tables. So right now we're at, I don't know if you can see, we're at Rooms to Go, and we're just gonna look around and see if we can find any coffee tables that can go in our living room, because currently we don't have a coffee table. We literally just have a couch, but we're building up slowly. So I just wanted to take you guys with us.
Okay.
Yeah, it was not nothing in there that was catching my eye or his eye. I feel like, okay, with furniture shops right now, because this isn't the first time I've gone to a furniture shop to look for an actual decent coffee table. But right now, it's not seeming like any factories are making anything new. Like, it doesn't seem like they're coming out with new styles, new models, nothing. I went to IKEA, y'all, and I didn't see nothing that I like. But we're going to keep looking. All right, y'all. Well, we are finally back home, and I'm going to straighten up a little bit, and then I'm going to do some homework. Okay, guys, so I just got finished cleaning up, and now I'm finna sit down and do some homework. So today I have to do a lecture. Oh, y'all, I don't have nothing to do today. So I don't have nothing to do today. The only thing that I'm still gonna work on some stuff though. I'm gonna do some chapters from stats, not chapters. I'm gonna do a couple of sections from chapter 9 of my stats today, and then I'm gonna do 2 more parts of my bio project.
Declaring their belief that COVID-19 can be transmitted by a small aerosol particle.
So this is actually what happens when I get in a good groove of doing my homework and I get good in studying. Chunky Butt wants to start hollering, and I have to come in here and pay her some attention. So I'm gonna take a quick little break from studying. She didn't even pay me no attention. That's the thing. She watching Peppa Pig. Guys, so it's actually pretty late. It's like 12 o'clock at night, almost 1 o'clock in the morning. Him and these daggone card videos, man. He's gonna wake my baby up and I'm gonna literally fight him. He's gonna wake up in the hospital. So I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. So thanks so much for watching. If you guys like videos like this, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Read the description box, please, y'all. Read the description box. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.